Hi guys, I thought it would be fun to do some spring Eastery projects. So we're gonna do two little projects right now. The first one we're gonna do is our little chickie. So he's a three-dimensional little chick and he's really easy to make. So what you need for this is you need some yellow paper, a little bit of white paper, and a little bit of orange paper. A Sharpie, scissors, stapler, and some glue. So to make this is super simple. You're going to start with your yellow paper and you are just going to cut 4 strips. It'll end up being about that long. So once you have 4 of these cut, all you're going to do is you're going to make them into loops, into circles, and staple them. So we'll make 4 of those. Oops. Now these loops, you're going to just put inside of each other. So you're going to make it almost like a star shape. You'll do one like a plus. And the next one goes through the middle. And these two will make an X. So once you get them all in, you have kind of like a plus sign and an X. Now you can either glue that or you can staple it. I stapled it because it was a little bit easier to keep it all together that way. So mine are all stapled on there. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna make the little wings. And the wings are so easy. They're gonna be just 1, 2, 3. Just like that. And you only have to draw it once because you can fold it in half and end up cutting it out too. And now I have my 2 little wings. These are easy to glue down. All you're gonna do is fold a little bit and you can glue it right there on the side. And then you'll have your 2 little wings sticking out. For the beak, all you're gonna do is cut out a diamond shape. After I have my diamond, I just fold my diamond in half. There's my little beak. And I can glue my little beak right on there. And then the last thing I have to do is take my little piece of white paper, draw a circle, fold it in half. That way your circles are the same size, so you don't come out with eyes that are different sizes. And after you cut out your little circles, you can color in your little pupils on the side. You can make them cross-eyed. You can make them look different directions. Glue your little eyes on. And you'll end up with your little 3D chickie. Okay, so that's our first project. We're also going to do a little lamb, which is like this. So the lamb is very similar. What you're gonna do again is take white paper and cut your strips. And I cut about 12, 14 strips. So after you get about, I'd say maybe 14 of them, you can do the same thing where you just, instead of making loops, we're just gonna push the edges together and staple them. And you're gonna do that with all of them. So, once you get a whole bunch of these done, what you're gonna do is, let me cut one more so I can show you. I played with it a couple different times, and the way that it works best is if when you stack them, you go put one on the top, put one on the bottom, put one on the top, put one on the bottom. Otherwise, they're gonna get too thick and all come one direction. So top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. And you're gonna put them all together until you have almost like a little flower shape with all of them. And then give them a good staple so they're all stick together like that. When you have all of them done, you have a big circle of them. After that, we're gonna draw the little sheep head, and I'm going to do it on white paper just so you can see, but mine I did on black paper, and it's really, really easy to draw. All you're gonna do is you're gonna make a circle, just a regular circle, and then just put some little ears off to the side. So you're gonna cut that little shape out. And I already cut one out, I just have to find it. Okay, well, I don't really know where my little sheep head went. So, it's over here, hold on. So there's my little sheep head that I cut out. And after I have all of my things done in my whole complete circle, I'm gonna glue my little sheep head on there. If you want, I took a straw and I stapled a straw on the back so it could be kind of like a little puppet. And then the very, very last thing you're gonna do is if you have some Google eyes, you can put Google eyes on, because Google eyes are fun. Or if you don't, you can cut out little circle eyes like you did for your little chickie. And that's how you make your spring sheep and chick. Thanks, guys.